Hey guys, KIRKSHINTA here. In this video today, I wanted to talk about why I'm starting a slim down journey in 2021 and what that is going to look like. So I'm going to talk about the reasons behind me actually deciding to slim down. So it's a lot of reasons, and one of them is actually kind of comical. So one of my little kindergartners a couple months ago walked up to me and patted my stomach and said, "You're having a baby." And I was like, there's no baby in there, which was signal number one that I need to start slimming down. But for some other reasons I wanted to start slimming down is, and this isn't the first time I've done slim down journey, but I'm actually super excited this time. One, because I have joined an amazing community of people. It's hard when you're trying to slim down by yourself, but I have an amazing community of people surrounding me as I do this slim down journey, which is super exciting. So I'm ready to do it. Also, this quarantine, it's just been putting on weight. It's like constant snacking, things like that. And what I'm trying to do is just create new habits, right? Create new habits. Some of you know I have polycystic ovarian syndrome, so some of my symptoms, hair growth and stuff like that have gotten worse as my weight has increased. And I'm like, you know what? Nope, not doing this, not increasing this. This has to go. So that's some of the reasons why I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use this opportunity during this quarantine, this never ending quarantine, to actually start slimming down. And the way I'm doing it, I want to talk about the way that I'm doing it. So I myself have made some core commitments. Now, back in the day when I lost tons of weight, I did it by sticking to some core commitments. And I said, you know what, this time around, I'm going to do the same thing. One of those core commitments is to use a tool, which is a formula that I drink to aid me in my weight loss journey. Okay, if you want to know more about that, reach out to me. So that's one of my core commitments. Another one of my core commitments is to actually walk every single day. So I will be documenting that journey as well. Just walking during quarantine, things like that, getting those steps in. So that's another core commitment. And then there's some other ones in there. If you don't know, drinking water and making sure that you have fiber is another thing that can aid you on your journey. Now, when I lost all that weight, when I lost about 75 pounds a couple years ago, that was one of the core things that really helped me to lose tons of weight, was making sure that every meal I incorporated that that volume and fiber in with every single meal. And that's something that I'm going to go back to doing. Okay. So those are my core commitments. That's why I'm deciding that I'm going to lose the weight. And for me, it's not even just about weight loss. I want to say that it's not just about weight loss. It's about me actually feeling better. About me liking the way that I look in my clothes. Those are some of the things liking how I look in my clothes, not having to wear everything that has stretch, because that's another thing. During quarantine, everything has stretch in it. And yeah, enough of that. I'm done with that. And just like I said, feeling better. How you just you feel good when you take care of your body, and when you don't, you just always feel tired and blah, So those are the underlying reasons. I just want to kind of just put it out there. So that's it. If you are ready to start your own wellness journey, if you want to do it with me, we do have a 4-week group. We have a 4-week group, and if you want details on how to join us on this 4-week journey of fixing your health and putting things in place for 2021 in terms of your health, then reach out. If you're watching this on any other platform, beneath this video will be details, or like I said, you can reach out to me. All right, that's it, my friends. I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know, will you be starting the journey in 2021? And see you in the next video. Bye, guys.